So in today's lecture, in application of definite integration, this is third lecture on application of definite integration. We are into area between the curves. We have solved quite a lot problems. Today we are starting with a third problem. And in third problem, we are going to see area between the curves. Earlier to this, what we have done? We have done area under the curve. We have done area under the curve. I repeat, we have done area under the curve up to x-axis. If you remember, area under the curve up to x-axis bounded between the lines x equals to a and x equals to b. We have done this. Today we are going to do area between the curves. So for this, you don't need anything new as such. Whatever we have done, that is sufficient with slightly more steps. So let's begin with find the area of the region included between y square equals to 2x and line y equal to 2x. Now here you understand that y square equals to 2x is a parabola and y equal to 2x is a line. So remember the steps. If you want to write the steps for solving such problem, steps for finding the area between the curves. So here I can write as steps for finding area between the curves. Steps for finding area between the curves. The first step would be step 1. Step 1. Draw the curves. Draw the curves. This is first step. You need to know the actual diagram of those curves. Draw the curves on XY plane. Now, what does that mean? It means that you have to draw the curves with XY plane, on XY plane. That is proper. The diagram has to be proper. May not be with the scale. May not be with the scale. जैसे ये y square equals to 2x है, तो ये ऐसे है. Y square equal to 2x कैसा है? ये ऐसा पैराबोला है. तो ये स्केल से नहीं है, लेकिन ये पैराबोला ऐसा है. तो ओरिजिन से इसका वर्टेक्स जा रहा है. ये y एक्सिस है, ये x एक्सिस है. ये सब दिखना चाहिए. May not be with the scale, लेकिन प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. ओके, स्केल से नहीं है तो चलेगा, लेकिन प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. So the first is you draw the curves. Draw the curves on XY plane. Okay. यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ the figures or the diagram I write. The diagram of curves. The diagram of curves may not be drawn on scale, but they should be properly drawn. They should be properly drawn. Scale से नहीं किया तो चलेगा. May not be on scale. Okay, मतलब ऐसे ये 1 है, ये 2 है, ये 3 है, ऐसे स्केल से रूलर से लेके ये 1 सेंटीमीटर 2 ऐसा नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा. That is not required. लेकिन प्रॉपर होना चाहिए. ओके, मतलब बिना एक्स वाई एक्सिस के मत बनाओ. जैसे भी ये पैराबोला है तो ऐसा तुमने बना दिया, ऐसा बना दिया. That is not done. Where is x-axis? Where is y-axis? That is required. You need to have x-axis, y-axis. Okay. So the diagram of curves may not be drawn on scale, but they should be proper. Step 2. Step 2 is find find the points of intersection. Points of intersection, ये बहुत important step है. Find the points of intersection of curves. Find the points of intersection of the curves. The second point is find the points of intersection of curves. Now the step 3. Step 3 is find area under first curve. Find the find the area under first curve and second curve. Find area under first curve and second curve. Say A1 and A2. Step 4. Find A1 minus A2. But in mod. Why mod? Because you do not know which one is greater. A1 is greater or A2 is greater. So if you are writing mod A1 minus A2, then it can be A1 minus A2 or A2 minus A1. Mod will make sure that you are getting positive answer. So these are the steps that you have to follow. So here in this question, the first step is I will draw the curve y square equals to 2x and the line y equal to 2x. Okay. So here I have y square equals to 2x and y equal to 2x. Let me begin with, see, I will draw the curves. Now, as you all know, when it comes to y square equals to 2x, see, y square equals to 2x is in the form y square equals to 4ax. Okay, y square equals to 2x is in the form y square equals to 4ax. And what is y square equals to 4x? It is right side opening parabola. Okay, what it is? It is right side opening parabola. So this is y-axis, x-axis. Now I draw the parabola. See, the y square equals to 2x, y square equals to 2x will be this way. Okay. Now, so I draw the diagram here, y square equals to 2x. It will pass through the vertex. It will pass through the vertex. The vertex will lie on the origin. Okay. The vertex will lie on the origin. Okay. And so here I have y square equals to 2x. Then I have the line y equal to 2x. See, the next one is the next curve. See, you are finding area between the curves, but here you have one curve and one line. It's okay, one curve and one line. It means the steps will remain the same. The steps will remain the same. So after drawing the y square equals to 2x, next what I will do is I will draw the line y equal to 2x. Now y equal to 2x is a line which is in the form y equal to mx. And you know y equal to mx passes through origin. It passes through origin. So what I will do is now I shall draw the line passing through origin. So see, this is y equal to 2x. Okay. This is line y equal to 2x. So here I write y equal to 2x. What do they ask? They ask me to get the area between two curves, that is line and the curve. Here it is one line and one curve. So area between these two we have to find. What does that mean? It simply means that we have to find this area. See, we have to find this area. We have to find this area. See, this is the area between line and curve, that is parabola. So this my first step was to draw both the curves. Here one line and one curve. I drew it. Now the second step was to find the points of intersection. To find the points of intersection of line and curve. Okay. So see, how do I go for it? To find the points of intersection. Now where do I see these two intersecting each other? So here this is origin. The two are intersecting each other at origin and this point. So let me write origin as O and this point as A. So I have to find the coordinates of these 2 points. Now you know that origin is 0, 0. Origin is 0, 0. So one point of intersection you already know. The other point of intersection you want to find. So see, how do I write? I write here y square equals to 2x is equation number 1 and y equal to 2x is equation number 2. Okay. I will solve these two. I will solve these two equations. Okay. I write solving 1 and 2 simultaneously. Solving 1 and 2 simultaneously. If I solve them, then I will get the solution of these two equations which simultaneously satisfy both the equation. So solving 1 and 2 simultaneously, see what I get. देखो y इक्वल टू 2x और y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2x और y इक्वल टू 2x है. इसका मतलब लेफ्ट हैंड साइड दोनों का इक्वल होगा क्योंकि राइट हैंड साइड दोनों भी क्या है 2x है, राइट. सो आई कैन राइट देयरफॉर y स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू y. ठीक है, तो फिर अभी y इधर ले लो, y स्क्वायर माइनस y इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है, y कैंसिल मत करो प्लीज, y कैंसिल नहीं करते हैं, फिर वो एक सॉल्यूशन अपना छूट जाएगा. ये y इधर ले लो, y स्क्वायर माइनस y इक्वल टू 0. अभी y कॉमन ले लो, सो y माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 0. सो y इक्वल टू 0 और y minus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 0 और y minus 1 is 0. So y equal to 0 और y equal to 1. Okay? Y equal to 0 और y equal to 1. अब दो मिल गया आपको, y 0 मिल गया और y 1 मिल गया. तो अभी क्या करेंगे? When y is 0, I will find out x value. So here I write. Okay? ये y equal to 0 इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में पुट करो. Put y equal to 0 in 2. तो क्या मिलेगा? देखो, so you will get 0 equal to 2x, 0 equal to 2x, so x is also 0. तो जब भी y 0 है, x 0 है. इसका मतलब 0 0 is one point of intersection. 0 0 एक point of intersection है. देखो मिला ना, और तुमको मालूम है कि बराबर है. क्यों? क्योंकि एक्चुअली तुमने यहाँ पे पहले ही देख लिया था. 0 0 एक point of intersection है, पहले ही मिल गया था. अब तुम क्या करोगे? अब तुम दूसरे point of intersection के लिए जाओगे. Now you will go for second point of intersection. उसके लिए तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसके लिए तुम्हें y equal to 1 put करना पड़ेगा. You will put y equal to 1. So here I write put y equal to 1 in equation number 2. इसमें put करो y equal to 1. So here you will have 1 equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. तो जब y 1 है तो x कितना है? 1 by 2. Therefore 1 by 2 comma 1. 1 by 2 comma 1. हाफ कॉमा वन एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट पहले लिखते हैं ना, हाफ कॉमा वन इज अदर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, अदर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन। देखो दूसरा भी मिल गया आपको, ठीक है, अदर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन। तो देखो एक 0 0 है और दूसरा ए का क्या है, ए का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 1/2, 1, ओके, 1/2, 1. So here you have 0 0 and 1 comma 1, right? So now you understand, try to get this. Now you understand that the required area starts from 0 0. You understand that required area starts from 0 0. Along the x-axis, it goes up to half. You see this? Why do we have to find the points of intersection? ध्यान से देखो, ये points of intersection क्यों निकालना पड़ा? इसलिए क्योंकि अब तुमको मालूम है कि तुम्हारा जो एरिया है, जो तुम्हारा रिक्वायर्ड एरिया है बिटवीन द कर्व एंड द लाइन, क्या हो रहा है? देखो वो 0 0 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और कहां तक जा रहा है? हाफ तक जा रहा है। देखो वो यहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और यहां तक जा रहा है, ये हाफ है। ये देखो एक्स एक्सिस पे ये हाफ है, ओके। देखो ये यहाँ पे क्या है, ये पॉइंट क्या है, 1/2। अगर इसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट 1/2 है तो यहाँ पे 1/2 है ना, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट 1/2 है और वाई 1 है, मतलब ये जो है ये यहाँ पे ये नंबर 1 है, ये क्या नंबर है, ये नंबर 1 है, ओके। सॉरी, सो this is what you found, okay? So the next step here is, see what I will do now. Along the x-axis I know, along the x-axis now I know the spread, I know the spread of the required area. So the required area moves from, it is from 0 to half along the x-axis. It goes from 0 to half along the x-axis. So now next step is I shall find out area under the curves, area under both the curves. So see here, first I will find out area under the parabola. ओके मुझे इन दोनों के बीच का एरिया चाहिए, जो मैंने शेड किया हुआ है, ये शेड किया हुआ है यहाँ पे, ये मुझे एरिया चाहिए। तो मैं क्या करूंगा, पहले मैं एरिया अंडर द पैराबोला फाइंड आउट करूंगा। देखो एरिया अंडर द पैराबोला, दिस इज एरिया अंडर पैराबोला अप टू एक्स एक्सिस। पहले मैं ये एरिया फाइंड आउट करूंगा। आई विल फाइंड आउट एरिया अंडर द पैराबोला अप टू एक्स एक्सिस। तो ये करने से मुझे कौन सा एरिया मिल जाएगा? If I find this, which area will I get? Area under the curve up to x-axis. See, I will get this area here. फिर मुझे ये वाला एरिया मिलेगा. You can check. So this area I will get. I will get this area, and I will name this area as A1. This area will be A1 for me. A1. This area will be A1 for me. After that, what I'll do? After this, I will find out area under the line up to x-axis. You understand? I will find out area under the line up to x-axis. And what will that be? Area under the line up to x-axis. See, the line starts from here. So now I will find out this area. Area under the line. You see this? Area under the line up to x-axis. Under the line. So the area will start from the line and up to x-axis. So as such, here you get a triangle ka area. I will get this area. Then And this area is nothing but here, this area. Okay. And then what I will do, I will find out, and this area I will name it as, I will name this area as A2. This will be my A2. And you know what is A1? Finally, I will get A1 minus A2. And that is my final answer. I will get A1 minus A2, which is the required answer. Once you get A1 minus A2, you have obtained the required area. See, this is the required area. Area between the line and the curve. Area between the line and the curve. I hope you have followed it. So let's begin solving this problem. So what is next step? The next step is I will find out area under the curve up to x-axis. That is area under the parabola y square equals to 2x, which you have already done in so many problems. Okay, you will find out area under the curve up to x-axis. Let's begin. So the next step here is I'll write here, let a1 equal to area under y square equals to 2x, under y square equals to 2x, up to x-axis, bounded by x equal to 0 and x equals to half. X equals to 0 and x equals to half. You know this. 0 to half, right? Now see this. Therefore, A1 is 0 to half, 0 to 1 by 2, y dx. Remember, if you are finding the area under the curve up to x-axis, if you are finding area under the curve up to x-axis, then here the curve has to be in the form y equal to f of x. याद रखना हो, कर्व ऐसा होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे y equal to f of x नहीं है, यहाँ पे क्या है, y square है, तो नहीं चलेगा, उसको y करना पड़ेगा. You understand? तो देखो मैं क्या करता हूँ, यहाँ पे देखो. Since y square is 2x, therefore y equal to plus or minus square root of 2x. Okay. Therefore y equal to plus or minus root 2 into root x. ठीक है. लेकिन देखो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में अपना जो रिक्वायर्ड एरिया है, अपना रिक्वायर्ड एरिया फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में दिख रहा है ना, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में. तो इसका मतलब हमको पैराबोला का ये वाला ही ब्रांच चाहिए. समझ में आएगा? और ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में है, तो y इक्वल टू पॉजिटिव रूट 2x लेने का. क्या लेने का? तो मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगा. ओके, इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट y equal to positive root 2 root x. You understand? So here we'll go and see what we write. Therefore a1 equals to, I will get a1 equals to 0 to half root 2 root x dx. What is y? Y is root 2 into root x. So root 2 into root x dx. Root 2 is constant. I will write it out. Root 2 out, and 0 to 1 by 2 root x dx. So this is root 2, and you know root x is x raised to half. So its integration will be x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So here you'll have x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, 0 to half. Now this gets us, therefore a1 equals to, see what does it get us? This will get us a1 equal to root 2 into 2 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2, 0 to half. Okay. Now upper limit minus lower limit. So you have 2 root 2 upon 3, upper limit minus lower limit. 1 upon 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2. You know, this is 2 root 2, 2 root 2, and 2 root 2 upon 3 into 0 raised to 3 by 2 is 0, half raised to 3 by 2. Half raised to 3 by 2. So 1 raised to 3 by 2, that is 1. And down here you have 2 raised to 3 by 2. 2 raised to 3 by 2, which I will write 2 raised to half, then the whole cube. Because the power of power multiplies. So 3 multiplies 1 by 2, you get 3 by 2. देखो, so you get 2 root 2 upon 3 into, ये देखो, ये हो गया root 2 का cube. Root 2 का cube is again 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 into root 2. This is 2 raised to half. तो ये root 2 हो गया. और root 2 का cube क्या होगा? Root 2 multiplied by root 2 multiplied by root 2, which is 2 root 2. तो ये देखो ये गया. So the final answer is A1 equals to 1 by 3. You got A1. A1 is 1 by 3 square units. ठीक है? Next. Now I shall find out A2. What is A2? A2 is area under the line y equal to 2x. I will write here, let A2 equals to area under line y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x up to x-axis, bounded, bounded by x equals to 0 and x equals to half. वही इंटरवल वही है 0 और हाफ के बीच में, लेकिन अब लाइन के नीचे होगा. तो देखो A2 क्या हो जाएगा? A2 होगा 0 to half. और इस बार देखो y इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स है, यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर नहीं है, यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर नहीं है. पहले y स्क्वायर था, इसके लिए अपने को y में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ा. यहाँ पे एकदम बराबर है, y इक्वल टू 2x है. तो क्या होगा? y है तो 2x dx. तुम डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो 2x dx. इसके पहले वाले में क्या था? यहाँ पे y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2x था, तो मैंने यहाँ पे y लिखा, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम था कि वो y के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके. और अगर यहाँ पे y होता तो मैं y लिखता ही नहीं, सीधा f ऑफ x ही लिख देता. अब यहाँ पे y इक्वल टू एफ ऑफ एक्स है, तो मैंने f ऑफ x लिख दिया. अब देखो ये 2 बाहर आएगा, 2 is out, and you get x raised to 2 is out, integration of x, that is x square by 2, 0 to half. What I did, it is 2x, so I took 2 out, so I got integration of x, integral x dx is x square by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel, so you will have x square 0 to half. So what is A2 equal to? Therefore A2 equals to, you have, see, therefore A2 equals to half square minus 0 square. Half square minus 0 square. Wherever x, write half, then 0. So half square is 1 by 4 minus 0. A2 is 1 by 4. This is A2 square units. So what's the required area? That is required. What is required area? Required area is area between the curve and the line. So I write, therefore, required area required area equals to A1 minus A2 in the inside mod. So that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay. This gets us 12, and here you have, okay, 4 minus 3. That is 1 by 12 inside mod, outside mod it is 1 by 12. So this is required area, square units. So you will write, therefore, area between y square equals to 2x and y equal to 2x is 1 upon 12 square units. That's the final answer. This problem is very simple problem. and normally it comes for 4 marks. So you can understand 4 marks, getting 4 marks would be so easy. Okay, see this whole thing once again and solve it.